Okay, so graph Z. I think we all found out that we were looking at some kind of an ice cream cone thing. Can you guys convince me that it's an ice cream cone thing? Like, how did you figure that out? What did you do? What was this group over here? What was your guys' first?
First we set either x or y to 0.
Nice. You guys see what they did there? So they had this. Okay, I'm trying to put something on a picture like this, right? I've got an X and a Y and a Z, right? Well, heck, I don't know how to draw stuff there, but I do know how to draw stuff on just 2 dimensions, right? Okay, so let me set Y as 0. Then I'll talk about the XZ plane, right? So whatever shape this is, I'm going to slam an XZ slice through it. Right, so maybe it looks something like this. Right, some kind of draped hanky thing, and I'm just gonna whack a slice through it, and I'm gonna get this piece out. Then I'm gonna use that piece for some information. So how do you whack that piece out of there?
Set 1 to 0.
Yeah, set specifically in this case, right? If I want the XZ slice, I'll set Y as 0. So if I set Y as 0, I'll get, so Z at Y is 0, right? Will give me the square root of X squared, right? Okay, it's the square root of X squared.
X.
Absolute value of X, right? So I get, okay, it looks like this in that XZ plane, right? Then if I set Y as, wait, how do I get the Y slice?
Set x equal to 0.
Set X equal to 0, right? So I get the same thing. That one's going to get dots because now it's coming up this way.
Mark. With a 45, 45, 1, 1, 1 root 2, 2, 2, 2 root 2.
Right? Yeah, what do you say?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Side note.
Yeah, exactly what Donald just said. It's all pi over 4s as far as the eye can see. Okay, so that's those ones. How would I get level curves? You guys see that now I've got a little skeleton here, and now I want to put some level curves on it. And so some of you are having issues with like this thing versus this thing, right? Cone versus bowl. So how do I get level curves? How could I tell the... Go for it.
We just set z equal to a value. So
Yeah, we could set z equals
yeah,
to something. So if I set, like, z is...
5.
Sure. Okay, so if I set 5 equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared, what do you get?
24.
Okay, I can get some answers for this. How about square both sides? Then what do you see?
25 equals x plus y squared.
How about maybe even 5 squared is x squared plus y squared? What do you guys tell me about that?
That's a circle.
Circle.
Yeah.
That's a circle, right? Okay, so my level curve at 5 is a circle. What's my level curve at 7?
Circle.
Still a circle, right? They're all circles. And what are the radii? So this one at 5 was a circle of radius 5. At 7, it's a circle of radius 7. So if I was going to draw a picture of my level curves, right? They're 0, 1, 2. Z is 1, Z is 2. Z is 3. How do you use this information? Ooh, that last one was bad. How do you use this information to separate the cone from the bowl?
Distance in between.
Yeah, the distance between those guys is going up at the same rate, right? The distance between the level curves on this guy is going to get...
Larger.
Exponential.
Or, yeah, exponential.
Smaller.
Yeah, they're going to get closer together. right?
Oh,
Because
okay,
it takes
that one.
less
Okay.
run out to go up more.
Okay.
You guys see that? Things get steeper when the level curves get closer together, right? We saw that over here,
Okay.
actually,
Yeah.
right? When we put some level curves around the big mound, right? The big low mound, they were pretty far apart. But the same level curves around the little steeper mound were closer together. That's cool then? Okay, so those ones being equidistant mean that it's always going up at the same rate. There's your flat thing. So what's that one? F is x squared plus y squared.
It's the bowl.
Yeah, that one's the bowl, right?
Would be a parabolic thing.
Yeah, exactly. It's a parabola. You guys see that? How do I know it's a parabola?
The distance in between the curves.
The distance in between the curves gets closer, so I know at least it's going up. I don't necessarily know its parabola shape. How do I know its parabola shape? You guys want to try that one for a bit? We slice that one apart and see what we get? Alright, what do you want to try first? Level curves or slices?
Slices.
Slices? I think we know what the level curves are going to be, right? They're going to be circles.
Yeah.
They're just going to get closer and closer together, right? Okay, so how do I do slices?
Set an X or a Y.